Infinitiv mit zu. In German, infinitive mit zu is used to link a verb in its infinitive form to another part of a sentence. This is similar in English to the structure to verb, such as to eat or to go. You use infinitive mit zu in sentences where two verbs appear together and the second verb is not conjugated. The subject of the main verb and the infinitive clause are the same. Certain verbs, adjectives, or nouns make this construction necessary. For example, expressions of desire, intention, or obligation. After certain verbs like vergessen, versuchen, or hoffen. The structure of zu and infinitive is as follows. Zu plus infinitive goes at the end of the clause. For example, ich habe keine Zeit, das Buch zu lesen. I don't have time to read the book. Zu lesen links the action of reading to the main clause. Hat versprochen, pünktlich zu kommen. He promised to arrive on time. The verb zu kommen complements the verb versprochen. Wir versuchen, die Aufgabe zu lösen. We are trying to solve the task. The main action is versuchen, leads to the second action zu lösen. Es ist wichtig, regelmäßig zu lernen. It is important to study regularly. An adjective, wichtig, introduces the necessity for the action zu lernen. Ich habe vergessen, den Termin zu verschieben. I forgot to reschedule the appointment. The action zu verschieben follows the verb vergessen. Important notes about the position of zu. If the verb is separable verb, example, anfangen, to start, zu is placed between the prefix and the root verb. For example, ich habe beschlossen, morgen anzufangen. Remember, we don't use zu with modal verbs. For example, ich muss lernen. We don't use zu here. Avoid confusion with dependent clauses. Ich hoffe, dass du kommst. This is a dependent clause, not infinitive mit zu. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the video.